Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll explore an open source alternative to Cursor AI Editor, completely free and under your control. We will explore three key features of Cursor AI: tab-based autocomplete, then code chat functionality, and multi-file editing capabilities. For code chat and autocomplete, we'll use a free VS Code extension called Continue. It's a top open source AI code assistant that lets you connect to any model for an integrated autocomplete and chat experience within VS Code. Go to your VS Code extensions, search for Continue, and install it. Then click on the Continue icon in the sidebar. Continue allows you to add any model, and it's much more affordable than Cursor AI. You can also use their API key by logging in with GitHub. As you can see, you can chat with your code just like with Cursor AI. Next, we'll use a free extension called ClaudeDev, a coding agent integrated directly into your VS Code editor. It can create and edit files, execute commands, and more, all with your approval, just like Cursor AI. Go to your VS Code extensions, search for ClaudeDev, and install it. Then click on the ClaudeDev icon in the sidebar. It works with any model. Let's add an Anthropic API key to use the Claude Sonnet 3.5 model. To do this, create an API key from the Anthropic website, then paste the API key into ClaudeDev, and you're all set. Using these tools, you only pay for what you use. Meanwhile, Cursor limits you to 500 requests per month, slowing things down once you exceed that. Plus, you can customize models with this open source setup, making it more flexible and cheaper than Cursor's $20 to $40 monthly fees.